So, paano nabuo itong how many working days?
After I went back from New York, ayun, parang, I guess, parang I decided, sige, I'll just make it. Tapos, sinabi sa akin na, gawa ka na ng film kasi matatapos na yung festival period.
Yeah.
First in Manila.
Manila.
Oo. Ayun. And then, wala lang. I just found a period where I could actually do something. So sabi ko, parang, sige, if you get Sherry Hill, I'll do this film. Pero if you don't, I'm not gonna make it.
Pero why Sherry Hill?
Sherry Hill, parang I think, based dun sa script, I was like, I couldn't think of anyone else that would be able to give justice to this role. Kasi, yung mga words na ginamit ko, parang na-imagine ko na siya lang yung makakapaglabas ng mga words na yon in such a way na hindi siya magmumukhang pretentious or acted out, na kayang lumabas naturally.
How about Marco? Paano siya nakuha dito?
Marco Morales naman, there was a time kasi I was going out a lot with my talent, si Lali, the sister of Domino, basta. And then we were going out a lot, and then we met him at a party, and then parang, wala, I didn't know who he was, I didn't know what he did or anything, pero nag-hangout kami, nakakatawa siya, tas parang he would mention that he would do film, so akala ko actor, parang, actor, sabi ko, I'm making this script, sabi ko, maybe you could fit the role, tas, pero I didn't really know then what he was doing, and then sabi niya, sige.
Clueless ka?
Oo, pero parang usapang lasing, pero nagkatotoo.
Wala siya disappoint yung mga gay fans or
May segue na gano'n?
Hindi, kasi yung content naman ng film na to is what I want to, that's what I want to shine. Yun yung gusto kong mag-make ng impact, not for anything else, the content. And
The Rapist, parang ang connotation parang sexual, di ba?
The Rapist, actually therapist
Actually,
siya.
parang
Therapist.
therapist.
The noble entendre ko lang siya.
Ah.
Parang play with words.
So it's not
therapist,
actually
the rapist. So,
it's not actually about rape.
No, it is about rape. Both,
Pero about rape.
both body and
Once it is
mind.
rape.
Parang raping of body.
Okay.
Maabot ba ng
Kasi invasion of
therapist.
physical,
Ang galing.
tapos invasion of
Maabot ba ng
Mental.
masang Pilipino yung ganyan?
Oo,
Kasi
I think at
parang
this
ano,
point
di ba,
in
mataas?
time, hindi, at this point in time
Wala
naman,
na.
I think parang exposed na yung audience to all kinds of things. So parang actually, I think the people who are making, yung nagki-create ng art are underestimating the audience. Kasi yung capability nila to understand, I think, is more than what we assume.
After Cine Manila, ano pa plano ba dito sa therapist?
Siguro to make it join other film festivals. Pero ang main main goal ko is to make the film accessible to everyone. Just for them to see it. That's it. I don't plan. Yeah, parang my intention is just for people to see it and maybe find it interesting and for a few minutes
So in the
just be
future,
entertained.
You will